Nature. Some people disregard our natural surroundings, ignoring them. Or perhaps just use it to dump pumpkins after Halloween is over. Despite living in a house surrounded by the woods, Jackson McCoy is one such person who does not have a strong connection to nature.
Oh, no, we went the wrong way on the trail. You're supposed to go that way. Whoopsie.
But there was once a time where he did have a connection. With baby raccoons.
The raccoons are called Alvin, Simon, Theodore, and Ellie.
But that connection has since passed.
There's 4 of them, but they stopped appearing last September.
And without the woodland friends, the surrounding nature is once again being ignored. Alex McCoy, Journalism 206.